Hello, this is your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man Kevin, and today I'm going to show you what I do to my Windows Vista desktop to make it a little more protective, a little more customized, and a little more me. This might not be what you want to do, but here's kind of a suggestion and an idea, and a lot of people think it's cool. So we'll start out by unlocking the taskbar. You just seen I just locked it, but now I gotta go and unlock it. So the first thing to do is to right click this, choose your lock the toolbar, the check mark will disappear, and now you can take it, you can move it anywhere you like. Some people like it up here, you can put it on the side. For what I do, I like it down here where it belongs. Next thing you can do is you can take it, you can stretch it almost halfway up the screen if you want. We'll just put it about a tier higher. This way I get my time, the day it is, and the date. And my tray icons are in a nice little block here. Now, by default, these tray icons are set to hide, the inactive ones. Well, now we have plenty of space. We don't need to do that. So to fix this, you would right click, go to your properties here. This little taskbar property screen comes up, and there's this hide inactive icons, and this would be that arrow that, whatever tray icons you're not using at the time will disappear. We'll uncheck that. Of course, if you really wanted more room, you run a whole bunch of programs, you ditch the clock, ditch the volume, ditch the network. Of course, I like to have all those up. And then there, of course, there's the power. That's for your notebook users. And there's really nothing else on this screen I'd change right away. Okay, after we have this nice long space, you will see that when you open something, it takes up the same amount of room. So we have this empty space. Now to fill that, we'll use toolbars. Of course, the most famous toolbar is Quick Launch, and it's great. You can have a nice organized icons. I don't have very many things in the Quick Launch right now. You can see this little dotted bar here. You can take this bar, grab it, and kind of move it around. So what we'll do is we'll put these on top, and we'll just a little tricky to get these things to work. It takes a little bit of practice. Oh, frustration sets in. Okay, now once you get these underneath, we'll make them bigger. Just kind of like the Macintosh toolbar, Windows is always stealing from Mac. Of course, we have the two icons here. We can take and we can add things. You can add my computer, so you can get to your computer. The control panel. Anything off of here can be dragged down. Games, music, pictures, things that you can access quickly. There's another thing you can do, toolbars, is add the links, and you can put folders in this links. I have my main user folder in my HT docs, which is the web servers, and customize links. I can probably ditch that. So once you get this in place, you can add as many, and all I do is right click to delete. Another thing is, I'm not real big on having the recycle bin on the desktop, but you need to be able to see it. So I put that in the taskbar, and then you can just delete it off the desktop. And now you have a recycling bin right there at the end of your icons. And of course, you can just keep piling on. I don't know what that was all about. Oh, okay. Well, I remember why. Okay, Yeah, you can't drag these pinned items because they're the ones that are being used, but you can create some really interesting stuff here. You can put the Windows sidebar in here. Just okay, and that concludes the tutorial.